Since the Southern Song Dynasty, over 800 years of history have shaped the cultural legacy of Shaoxing. On November 13, 2025, marking the 900th anniversary of the birth of Liu Yu, one of China's most celebrated patriotic poets, the Liu Yu Heritage Site officially opened to the public. With a total investment of 1.1 billion in spanning 90 acres, this landmark project is a key part of Shaoxing's Song Dynasty Cultural Heritage Program. More than a traditional memorial, it represents a complete restoration of the refined lifestyle and cultural spirit of the Southern Song era. Designed around the concept of living heritage, the project authentically recreates the architectural aesthetics and daily life of the Song Dynasty, where poetry, culture, and space are seamlessly integrated under one roof. SANGOBUILD is proud to contribute to this remarkable project with its antique roof tiles. Inspired by traditional Song-style roofing, each tile reflects a perfect balance of light white performance, exceptional durability, 70 years, authentic historical aesthetics. Through these tiles, a timeless connection is made, bridging a 900-year gap between past and present. The poet who once wrote of listening to the wind and rain in the quiet of night may now belong to history. But the rooftops, the rain, and the atmosphere he once experienced are brought back to life. Today, visitors can once again immerse themselves in the poetic lifestyle of ancient China, from tranquil moments of tea under the eaves to the powerful imagination of distant battlefields. More than just a roofing material, SANGOBUILD antique roof tiles represent a dialogue across time, where heritage meets modern innovation.